it's growing back because I harvest already here, so it's gonna be okay to harvest again. And my kale, I'm going to harvest my kale today, guys, and some zucchini. So let's go, guys, let's do it. It's Monday here, guys. It's quite a bit sunny because last night, guys, and I mean the weekends here, it's been raining hardcore, especially last night. It is good for my plants. So today is kinda half cloudy and sunny. So we're going to harvest, guys. This I'm just going to show it to you guys because this is ready to harvest, so that way the baby can grow more. So as you can see, guys, look, there is water because it's been raining last night. Because this one, guys, is look, this guy is there's the water, so it's about time to harvest. This is onion, guys, yellow onions. So look, guys. Look, guys, there's a water here. It's not bad, guys. I have two big one kale, and this is all you know, still young. So this is the mother and mother kale. It's good for this, for salad, raw, and for any dish to cook. There, guys. So that way, guys, this is going to be more space to grow there. So I have to harvest the one that is ready. So as you can see here, guys, look. Two plants of kale, and look at what I harvest, how much I harvest. Wow. See, that is two plants of kale right there, guys. See? Then this is still young, guys. Later it going to be like that, look like that. And this is my gourmet make salads. There is a baby arugula, and this is a red kale, this one, and some red lettuce in there, and kale, and oh my god, Myra, arugula. Yeah, it is hard to pronounce that, arugula. There, guys. So I'm gonna wait more days before I'm going to harvest again this, guys. So let's go down, guys, because we're going to harvest my zucchini. Look at that, guy, because hardcore rain last night. So here, guys, welcome to my Mix urban garden. Here, guys, as you can see, here, guys, you can see it's freaking big. Oh my So look at my tomatoes here, guys. So I'm going to pour you. There. This is all different kinds of tomatoes. There are grape tomatoes and they have a big tomatoes. So it's a kind of pepper. And here guys, here. Oh, this is already wild. I can see now they're all variety of tomatoes, guys. As you can see, this one is different one. It's a long one. I think this is I don't know if Roma tomatoes, because I plant some Roma tomatoes here, guys. And my blueberry, strawberries. So strawberries. That's cilantro, and that is a Swiss chard there, guys. And this is cilantro, and this is kale also. And that's tomato here, guys. So I'm just going to show to you guys the I'm going to give some to my neighbor. Let's go, guys. I need to be careful, guys, because the you know, this is harsh. I don't know. So here, guys. Wow, look at that, guys. There. This is a kind of courgette. Zucchini, guys. Wow. This is a courgette. As you can see there, guys. Here is courgette. Zucchini courgette. So, oh my god, guys, this is the fruit of my labor. My scissor, guys, is fall apart, so give me 1 second, guys. Sorry for my camera is going crazy. See this one, guys. So I need to be careful not to cut the young one. So there. Oh my god, this is hot. There, guys, as you can see. Oh my god, guys, there. That it has to be very careful, guys, because I don't wanna cut the one that, you know, still have a lot. So yun na gana. So there is a small thorn. That's why it's hard on your skin. There, guys. As you can see, guys, look, and my kale. So this is my first time harvesting my zucchini, guys. So I think that one has to be I need to wait a couple days couple days. As you can see there, guys, there's still small in there. So I don't know. Oh, I'm just gonna harvest now this one, guys, so that way this small guy can, you know, have space to grow more. There, guys. See, there. So every morning, guys, I visit here because every morning these flowers are open, so I need to pollinate those female because this is male. So the female, guys, is like this. So the more in the morning they're open, so I have to pollinate. They're like that there. I have to pollinate that every morning, so that way they're going to grow more. Because look at that one, guys, because it's been raining in here last month and this month, so you know, some too much rain, so didn't continue. Like that one, guys, didn't continue. So it's not bad, guys. Look, my kale, and that's the labor of Myra's garden. This is the fruits of my labor from my mini urban garden, guys. Look at this one, guys. Oh my god, wow. I don't put any fertilizer, guys. I just use eggshells. And look at my kale. So that's it, guys. So I'm just showing it to you, my first harvest of my zucchini, because this is touching on the ground, the soil, guys. So there. Sunny here, guys. Hey guys, today I first harvest my zucchini. Look at that, guys. It's the fruits of my labor from my mini urban gardening and kale. Oh my god, guys, I'm so happy, extremely happy. So the rest, guys, I will give some to my neighbor. Look at that, guys. They call this courgette zucchini. Oh my god, it's heavy and it's organic because I don't use any fertilizer. I just use eggshells, guys. So that's all natural. Bye, guys.